This is going to be a video tutorial on how to restore the original default settings in the Arc web browser. I will be using a PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Arc web browser opened up now. To restore your original default settings in the Arc browser, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little Arc logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, under the profiles, you want to select your profile. Then you'll go down toward the bottom to where it says Privacy and Security, and you want to click on Privacy and Security. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to click on Reset Settings. Then on the center pane it says Reset Settings. It says Restore Settings to their original defaults. You want to click on that. Then in the little dialog box that opens up, it says Reset Settings. This action will reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts, disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. You would click on Reset Settings. Now you may have to restart the Arc web browser for this to take effect, but that is how you restore the original default settings in the Arc web browser. Thanks for watching.